Good afternoon slash evening, and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Sobert. Well, yabani si ani ebedi komase asante koroko hon komo ama esi twan ama bibia etimi akoyie. Now, well, we all know say on Monday, I catch them say Monday will be a big day, and why you should be at Asante Kotoko training grounds on Monday because I know Kotoko will have new players at the training grounds on Monday. Nti maka from Thursday na me de to manim say Asante Kotoko team ni be ko break no. And me de sort was say team ni ko break no. What people should expect is that when they are coming back from the break, which is on Monday, they won't come empty-handed. They will come with players. Maka DNTS in training grounds na me adma Monday. Well, first of all, let me clarify this before I go to why we are here. It looks like Dominic Insobila to Kotoko is off the table. Yes, Insobila to Kotoko is off the table because Dominic Insobila are joining a club outside. On say, whilst I was talking about Dominic Insobila and Abbas Samari, I did about American on here say Insobila a foreign deal outside, and his agency is doing everything possible to let the boy travel instead of playing in Ghana. The same thing applies to Abbas Samari. And I'm share a video no SOTV football. May the air to my name say what I'm picking is that even if Abbas Samari they want him to stay and play for Kotoko, they are fighting for a 1-season contract. Say Abbas will stay with Kotoko for just a season. They don't want Abbas to stay more than a season with Asante Kotoko. Or because I'm planning a self person boy into coin. Both players now on person to coin. Abbas and Dominic Insobila are all under one management. Munipa ba kuna ne manage players ni mienu nyina enti. Opeso mu mienu nyina to coin. And this afternoon I can confirm it to you, say Dominic Insobila to coin. If one monitor my channel here for some time now, I've not been talking that much about Dominic Insobila. Me kamanu too because na ekoyese ekopembo na anye the move no the attention is on traveling. And then there were a lot of questions on Abbas Samari and I had to explain it. So that is the explanation. The only reason why the deal on a delay is that his agency believed that, listen, boys need to quiet. Then that's the fact. These players are getting in the foreign contract $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Dollars need to say is too heavy. And when you convert it to Ghana cedis, even if you are paying the person 10,000 Ghana cedis, dollar under no circumstance can your money be compared to dollar any panel or ever submit on the table. So that is the conversation and that is the story. So clearly Abbas is off the table. Now I'm a BBR. Insobila rather is off the table. Abbas, they are still talking, but it's difficult. I will say to you, it's difficult. Well, really, and who's a Kumasi Asante Kotoko a video about to Omo Asante Kotoko SC. Den. Just a video ni etiawa. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? And Asante Kotoko Edebeshi Mugbain. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? Tiahona! There's a traffic ni move to Asante Kotoko. Oh there, me try say the video number 2 chain. Do you enjoy the ladies and gentlemen? May I have your attention? It's ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention? Bape. Naturally say kecheni ibesi Kenya ne baso. Ashemo bossa Monday bi besi wo training grounds ya kachere mo. We knew what we were saying here. Nah, me kasa me nya worried and I'll be honest with you because then you may be che. You may be che. What you say? Mo cookie ache, mo cookie nyoma no, I'm a nyoma na che dodo. What you say? Ti ano my ambulance, you know. Oh my, wow, ladies and gentlemen, We have your attention. Why you people at Kotoko account? They say, guys, the social media guys are shaking. And why no musa my teaser fufro? Musa yin kechem rantie bi tikebu. Omo telan cruisemu. What I say? And as ye chire mu krom. Won de omo nam asafo. Na ye de omo nam the ark. Ni ye de omo ba be fa ahoto runabout. Ni ye de omo fa stadium. Ni ye de omo fa santase runabout. Next year, the Mrantia need Trekrum. So say, welcome to Asante region, welcome to Kumaseno, and Omu Yin Kacheno, and the boys in Nam town. I just a Land Cruiser papa to the air conditioner, ye mercy boys and so my bomb belt, come on. And my boy general so many ship on the nice, what I say, Matitio Maniachi, my bomb cap. And yet, picture in such a video, and said, I said, when you pass a woman. Ase nipa na eba ase nipa na mba bi sa on a say teaser omo de frefre yen omo defe yen omo twie ba ho mrantie de no mo yen a say amanfo gusu comment den video no in less than 12 minutes na twam 1k first video in 26 minutes na nam 7k say kaish go for traffic na ba attention aba boys na budget na fe intini nyina ye twen fabulous attention to us na other pro Asante Kotoko supporters no so the tweet ni na mu mo say need akwa posti fabulous attention please na kire say eja na eba bibi ba nti we nka ye kwam uje ne eye kwam you got nyo no bibi besi na say amanfo wo say mo wona obi afro say na when the Unviels nyabotre boys no ibe ye adwuma no wo say eye boom ti video ne ba sa bon say bibia betwa to boom kaish esese etimi twen ni anticipate we are anticipating and say twen the eba then ebesie and that is what Kotoko boys na ede ye and yegusu te ho a ye monitor the first official signing of Asante Kotoko. Is it going to be a year AbdoelRahman AbdoelKarem, the Sudanese left back? The friend the Sudan Marcelo na ono na eba na Sudan Marcelo ono na eba na and AbdoelKarem AbdoelRahman one na Kotoko be yina kire Emmanuel Entry ana ba na me hwe nipa ni tunya mu se de be nye Emmanuel Entry mpese ne da so gusu ntine nye Emmanuel Entry but they were teasing us omugusu teasing a ye wa twen mu twen a and you say officially Asante Kotoko posti abranti a ye freno AbdoelRahman AbdoelKarem say oye the new Sudanese striker was joining Asante Kotoko 1 year with a club option of a permanent deal. 1 year contract with a club option of a permanent deal. And now from Wadi, Senior Seobed, but two men, from Wadi, send me nyabo three breaking story no. I can't date a boy anybody do me can club obo me can a national team appearance me can a year new relationship on in the you find AbdoelRahman Mohammed I no ewo omanya you friend Sudan or no boss number 10 jesima ahila me clarify how process ni na de mamu me breaking news no kama me can da obebe nyina Kotoko the ashim official say AbdoelKarem AbdoelRahman Adjoining Asante Kotoko. Now, Tenana Pinkranchen was signed. So the striker is in. Send me a catcher and says Sudan for one ever bano. Nanyoma P never cost on we could check because need himself a banra. Need himself none at the banane and then need himself a bar. But a banane. Into officially Asante Kotoko name and first signing of the season. More to come. And your back pay me and your and your back pay only baby boom. The profile of the player 1 year contract. Me catch on say Sudanese for no more benye alone. ɛna ɔmo ba bɛbɔ ama Asante Kotoko nti Monday ɛwɔ Adakwaja Ache Sports Complex sɛnea ɛka no players ne ba nti ɔmo bɛ start ya tete ho weekend yi ɛyɛ serious ɔmo tete ho saa de yi nkɛkyɛ na kɔpem sɛ Joada ne besi and my fa code Mickey Tactics na me dey presented because I'm excited by the news. I mean, na yebe proper analysis because me didn't come up about the profile of the player and what Kotoko fans should expect from AbdoelKarem AbdoelRahman. Enti ashim buying. Oni ni nuano ye more of a Bafo-jan and AbdoelKarem AbdoelRahman ye more of a Samuel-jan. Yes, me na make catcher. And your hype a reality. Nimyani a more of a Bafo-jan and only more of an Samuel-jan. Or we bought more of the Sudanese under 23 no. And a coach akwesiapia ko promote to by the senior team. Just like what the AbdoelRahman Allah Hassan Mohammed no. Sa no dia AbdoelKarem AbdoelRahman. A ono aba oba be lead attack ama Asante Kotoko. Nti munya abotre kase munya abotre still in the Tamu Chuku stage. Still Tamu Chuku. Because there are better things ahead. More videos on AbdoelKarem AbdoelRahman will drop it on Porcupine Stand. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.